The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.
People know Hubbard-Hall for chemistry and getting that all right for people. Let's talk equipment today. One thing I was going to ask you about the role of equipment selection and getting very good cleaning results. How important is that? I know you've seen a lot. Tell us about that. How important is that equipment?
It's really important. So, it's funny is I get phone calls all the time for people who have cleaning problems, and they say, well, if we just switch out the cleaner, it's going to fix the problem. And what I find out is probably 85% of the time, it's not the cleaner that's the problem, it's the equipment that's the problem. So, equipment is just as important as in chemistry. I tell people chemistry can't solve every problem, right? It's synergistic. You've got to have the right equipment and the right chemistry to do not just cleaning, but anything in metal finishing. So we see this on a repeated basis where they think if they change the chemistry, it's going to make a problem go away. So equipment is just, or sometimes actually more important than the chemistry itself.
To hear more stories from the field, go to hubbardhall.com or wherever you stream your podcasts.